Use the Align and Position tools to efficiently align and offset objects in your design. The Align tool allows you to snap objects to the angle of another object automatically. Here's how it works. First, select the Align tool from the 2D toolbar. Next, hover over the object or group of objects you want to align. The selection mode determines how objects are selected. Use Group Select to choose multiple connected objects, or Single Select to select an individual object. Then select the edge, which will highlight with a red line. Now click the component you want the object to rotate to, and just like that, the object automatically rotates and snaps into place. The Align tool is highly useful for automatically aligning objects to the angle of other components, particularly when the exact angle is unknown. But what if you need to create a bit of space or an offset between objects? That's where the Position tool comes in. Start by selecting the Position tool from the 2D toolbar. Hover over the object and select a point to position. Right-click and move your cursor in the direction of the offset. Then type the offset distance into the Quick Properties box and press Enter. Now you have a precise space between your objects and the reference components. And that's it. By combining the Align and Position tools, you can create accurate, professional designs in no time.